Jai Hind to all. Myself Yogendra Prajapati, Assistant Professor Ajay Kumar Garg, Engineering College, Kasiapat. Today I am going to teach a very important topic of the compiler design, that is the bottom-up parsing. There is the 6 type of the bottom-up parsing, and in 6, one that is the CLR parsing. CLR parsing is the most powerful parsing among the all bottom-up parsing. There is the mainly 6 type of this bottom-up parsing: LR0, SLR, CLR, LALR, operator precedent parsing. So among these different type of the parsing, CLR parsing is the most powerful, and this type of the parsing asked in guest examination many times and in university examination also. So start the CLR parsing. These are the basic structure of the CLR parsing. In all bottom-up parsing, the basic structure of the LR parsing, either SLR parsing, either CLR parsing are same. Only different in here. Here we use the CLR parsing. Now they are very simple. One input string in any different kind of the parsing. One algorithm are used in any type of the parsing. Same in CLR parsing, we use the algorithm. With the help of the stack, we construct the CLR parsing table, and with the help of the stack, algorithm, and the CLR parsing table, we generate the final outcome. This is the basic structure of the CLR1 parsing algorithm. The main difference between the SLR parsing and CLR parsing is, in SLR parsing, no look ahead symbol contained, but in CLR parsing, one look ahead symbol are contained. That is known as the, here we mention one stand for the one look ahead symbol contained in CLR parsing. That is the main basic difference in SLR parsing and CLR parsing. In SLR parsing, no look ahead symbol contained, but in CLR parsing, one look ahead symbol are contained. That is the main difference between these two parsing. What is the use of look ahead symbol we include into the CLR parsing? When we construct the CLR parsing table, then reduction rule in SLR parsing, we write all the terminal symbol, and when look ahead symbol are contained into this CLR parsing table, then we write only where look ahead symbol, the reduction rule we write. That is the main difference between the CLR and SLR, and that is the main use of the look ahead symbol. This is the some step by which we perform the CLR parsing. First, that is the write the context-free grammar of a given inputs. That is the first step, and this step is common for all different type of the bottom-up parsing. This step is also common for all the different type of the parsing. That is the check the ambiguity of the grammar. In all, we also check in CLR parsing, grammar is ambiguous or grammar is not ambiguous. Now this step is also common for LR parsing, SLR parsing, and CLR parsing. Then this step we also follow in CLR parsing also. We add the augmented grammar, and in previous lecture I explained how to add the any augmented grammar of a given context-free grammar. Now this step create a canonical collection of LR0 item. Now any context-free grammar, create the canonical item and draw the DFT. This is the next step of the CLR parsing, and this step is only differentiate the SLR parsing and CLR parsing. Construct the CLR parsing table with look ahead symbol. That is the main difference in CLR parsing and SLR parsing. In SLR parsing, we simply create the parsing table without look ahead symbol, but in CLR parsing, we construct the parsing table with a look ahead symbol. What is the look ahead symbol? Very simple. Look ahead symbol is the first of that noun terminal is known as the look ahead symbol. We take a very simple example, then we design how to create the look ahead symbol. Now, based on the information table, stack and parsing algorithm, we generate the final outcome. Now, this is the last step of the CLR parsing. With the help of all this stack, parsing table, algorithm, we generate the final outcome. That is the main concept of the CLR parsing. Now, we take the very simple example for better understanding of the CLR parsing. What is the first step? We check the grammar is ambiguous or not ambiguous. So, this grammar is not ambiguous, because with the help of this grammar, we generate only the one LMD and one RMD. If more than one LMD are generated, then this grammar is ambiguous. Okay, this grammar is unambiguous. So, we go for the next step. What is the next step? To add the augmented grammar. What is the rule for augmented grammar? Here we write yes dash to yes and yes to AA and A dash to AA and A dash to B. Now this is known as the augmented grammar. We add one extra production rule in a given grammar, that is known as the augmented grammar. And we next step, what is the next step? Create a canonical collection of LR item. Add augmented grammar. What is the canonical collection? We simply put dot. This is the canonical collection of the LR item. Now, what is the next step? To create the DFD of this canonical collection of the item with look ahead symbol in CLR parsing. Now, what is the first one? What is the look ahead symbol of this? By default, that is the dollar. If we generate this production, yes dot yes, now this production is generated here, then the look ahead symbol copied from the next production rule. It means dollar is here. Okay. Now, with the help dot generate this production, then we find the first of A, that is the look ahead symbol of this and look ahead symbol of this. What is the first of A? The first of A and B, and here A and B. Now, this symbol is known as the look ahead symbol. Okay, when we shift operation, the look ahead symbol are not changed. When we explore the production rule, then look ahead symbol are changed. Now, here yes and yes here. When we shift operation, then look ahead symbol are not changed. That is very simple. When we explore the rule, then look ahead symbol are changed. We explain here. Now, yes tends to A dot A and look ahead symbol is dollar. And with the help of this, we write the production rule of A dash to dot A and A tends to dot B. Now, what is the first of A? The first of A is A and B and A and P. Any doubt? No. When we explore, then look ahead symbol are changed. What is the look ahead symbol? Simply the first of this is known as the look ahead symbol of that particular production. So, what is the first of A? The first of A and B, then that is the look ahead symbol of this production. Similarly, the first of A look ahead symbol is A dot B. this production rule has been explored. We explore this production rule. What is the input? Input is A. Now A tends to A dot A, and what is the look ahead symbol? A and B. And explore again. A tends to A and A tends to B dot. And what is the look ahead symbol of this? What is the look ahead symbol of this? When no, what is the look ahead symbol of A? That is A comma B, and that is A comma B. Explore this one. Now third one, explore B, and A tends to B dot, and what is the look symbol? A comma B. This is your final state. This is your final state. We need to further explore this one and this one. What is the next step? A, yes, tends to A dot, and what is the look ahead symbol is dollar. Now this is your final state. No problem. And if we write this one, I think this one here, that is A. And if we write this one, then this production has been here, that is B. If we explore this one, then we find this state. If we explore this one, then we find this state. Okay. Now we need to further explore for this production rule. Now, what is the out? A tends to, and what is the look ahead symbol? A and B. Now this is your final state. This is your final state. If we explore this one, dot A, and what is the look ahead symbol? A and B. I think for A, same state, that is the self loop. And what is the B? This one, and no further exploration are allowed because all state has been designed and DFA are designed. What is the next state? Draw the CLR parsing table with the help of the look ahead symbol. Now if we remove this one, then we draw the parsing table. No problem. What is the terminal? My terminal is A, B, dollar, and what is the non-terminal? That is, I think there is this one line, no need to, and A, okay, yes, A, B, dollar, yes, and A. We draw the CLR parsing table with the help of the number of the state. How many state? That is I0, I1, that is I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6. Now we write out the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now from I0 to A, this one here is I0, I0 to A, that is the S3, I0 to A, that is S3, I0 to B, that is S4, and I0 to S, that is 1, and I0 to A, that is the state 2. That is the CLR parsing. That is very simple to design the CLR parsing with the concept of this DFA. Okay, now we move from the state 1, and everyone knows that from this one, $1 accept. Now 2, this is the state 2. From 2A, that is I5, 2A, that is 5, 2S, no transition are available. Now 2A, that is S3, 2B, any transition are available? Yes, 2B, that is S4, and 2A5. Now this state has been complete. Now we move from the state 3, that is state 3, on A, that is S3, and B, that is again S4, and A, that is 6. We move from the S4 state, that is final state, and what is your my grammar is S tends to AA, S tends to A, and A tends to B. That is R1, that is R2, that is R3. This is my original grammar, and now this production is R3. R3 are written, look ahead symbol A and B. That is the main difference between the SLR parsing and CLR parsing. In CLR parsing, write R3 production in everywhere, but in CLR parsing, we write R3 production only A and B, that look ahead symbol. Now A and B, that is R3. Okay, now we move from the I5. I5, that is R1 production, and R1 production written only its look ahead symbol, that is R1, right here only, and that is the R2 production, and that is, this is again final state, that is rule is R2, and R2 written only, that look at symbol A and B. It means that is R2 and R2. Now this is the your parsing table. We move from here, we generate the parsing table, stack is our available, parsing algorithm with these three concepts, we design the final outcome. This is the conical item, that is the algorithm. This is the parsing table, a stack AKGEC in which we feed the input and generate the final outcome. Now this is the one example for the CLR parsing. For the better understanding, we move from the another example for the CLR parsing. Now this is another example for understanding for the CLR parsing. Simply, what is the first step? Check the ambiguity of the grammar. This grammar is unambiguous. No problem for ambiguity of this grammar. What is the next step? Add the augmented grammar. What is the augmented grammar? Yes tends to yes. Sorry. This is your augmented grammar. Now yes, AAB, yes, BAB, yes, BAC, S A C B, or A tends to A B A, and A tends to B, and B tends to B. Now this is your augmented grammar. Very simple. We add the only single production rule, that is yes, dash to yes. We simply put here dot, 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 dot. That is the conical collection of the LR item. And in CLR parsing, we add the look ahead symbol for the every production rule. Now, what is the CLR parsing? Dollar. By default, here dollar, 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 dollar. Because with the help of this production, all these three productions are generated, then the dollar copied from all production rule. No problem. Okay. Now, from A, this production has been generated, then the first of A, that is A, and B, and the first of B, B, that is dollar. Okay, no problem. Just hold down. Here is it, because here is also the look at symbol for A, that is A and B. And what is the B? And B generate from which production? No, the first of B is we write here, and any production B, no. So now simply this is the dollar, and explore this production by the rule for the CLR parsing. Now this production, that is very simple. Here yes tends to this one, and look at symbol dollar. That is your final step. Now when we shift the operation, then no change of the look ahead symbol. When we explore the operation, then look ahead symbol are changed. That is the concept for the CLR parsing. Now here is A. Yes tends to A, and B. What is the look symbol is dollar. No need to explore, further explore. Anywhere A? No. Now B, these two production, and same input is B. Now this one is separate. No further exploration are allowed, because this is the terminal. Okay, and now B, yes tends to B dot A, B, and what is look at symbol? Dollar. No problem. Yes tends to B and B, B dot A, C, and what is look at symbol? Dollar. And anywhere is B? Yes. And A tends to B dot, and what is look at symbol? A and B, and B tends to B dot, and what is look at symbol is dollar. Now this is the another state. We explore this one, and this one, and this one. How many remaining state are need to explore? This one and this one, and this explore here. Now what is the input is A. Now yes tends to A dot C, B, and what is the look at symbol? Dollar. No need to explore. And here this one, A tends to A dot B, A, and What is the look ahead symbol for this? A comma B. Now this further B tends to B dot, and what is the look ahead symbol? Dollar. Now this state has been complete. For the better understanding, we continue this example for the next lecture. Okay, thank you. Meet for the next lecture.